Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today on Will It Shave Wednesday, do I have a treat for you. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, we've all searched for the perfect shave soap, and whenever I first started shaving and I had some neck irritation, I asked, the guys that I worked with and the guys I was around, what do you guys use? And I heard everything. And so later on in my shave career, I found out about the Cube, and we all know it's a pre-shave soap, but it kind of takes me back to a time when my buddy Rod said, I don't even use shave cream or shave soap. I just use my regular bar soap. And so I tried it and it didn't work out very well. But I thought today, the pre-shave works really well. And I thought, what if I scraped some of that off and put it in a bowl and lathered it? Could I actually shave with it? So I did that, and I haven't shaved with it, but I'm going to do it today with you. And so I took a 1/8 of a teaspoon, which is quite a bit of pre-shave, because when you normally put it on, you're using a very minimal amount, and you can kind of face lather a little bit with it. So I was just curious to see, does it work? What's it going to turn out? I have no idea. So to make it an enjoyable shave, I grabbed my Gamechanger .84 open comb, and I am using the Gillette 365 blade in there. I'm not going to face lather with it because I already have it in the bowl, and I've already washed my face, so I should be pretty hydrated, and let's get to it. I did let this lather sit for a little bit because I wanted to see if it would dissipate, or, like the air that's trapped within the water and the soap may, flatten back out, and surprisingly it hasn't, and it feels really nice on the face. This is the Evil Cube, so I'm expecting a little bit of menthol to kick in, which will be really nice. And I'm sure you guys can tell, this is my Semouge 820 Boar brush, and I've thought about picking up another one, so when this one wears out, I'll have another one ready to go. But that may last several years, not sure. But by that time, when I say, hey, I need another one, that one will probably not be in production any longer. So I'm warming up the razor, and let's get our shave going. Oh yeah, I can feel that menthol around my eyes, which is nice. There's really no slickness, residual slickness there. But I can say, it's doing its job. It's actually working. And in all fairness, I remember back to the time that I used a regular soap, and I remember it being Irish Springs. Or is there an S in there? Is it just Irish Spring? Anyway, you know how that soap, whenever you use it, you kind of have that sticky feel. And so it probably, it's a totally different soap, to where the Cube has other things in it, but it's mainly a glycerin soap, and it has a different feel than your typical bar soap. And this is moving right along. No problems with it there. Feels pretty nice. Could use a little bit more slickness, but it's not designed to be a shave cream. It's designed to be a shave soap. And I mean, look at it. It's pretty nice. We'll do a little lather experiment here in just a second to see how well I did on lathering. You know what? I'm thinking I forgot to grab a bottle of Splash. That feels good. Nice and cushiony feeling. Let's just grab what we have in the brush here and just see what does it look like. Oh, I mean, could it have used a little more water? Maybe. But like I said, I wasn't sure if it would even, you know, stay lathered. Here we go for second pass across the green. As far as the razor goes, I've never been let down by the Gamechanger. And this blade is nice and smooth. Which is always nice. Has no problems rinsing out of the razor, that's for sure. I don't have my contacts in, so you might see me do that. All right, well, let me get cleaned up here and we will see how I did. It's time for the Ice Cube post-shave routine. Oh yeah, that is nice. And we have our Lancaster black sheep towel. And the shave went well. Man, I am really surprised. Yeah, so there you go. The Cube pre-shave as a regular shave soap works well. I'm going to use my Stirling Unscented aftershave splash here as I bang around on the sink. Add a little bit more menthol to the kick, which is nice. And since we're on a menthol kick, let's go ahead and use the PAA Frostbite. I always smell peppermint, like a candy cane when I use this. All right, well, there you go. A quick shave with the Cube, and man, I'm really impressed. What a nice shave. I will post a picture right here of everything that I used today, and I will look forward to seeing you guys on Sunday's shave. If you would like to see anything else experimental like this as a shave, maybe Noxzema or the Preshave pre-shave, let me know, and I'm willing to do it if you request it. So I'll see you guys. Have a great rest of your week.